Welcome. In today's video, we will be learning how to connect and list our products on Shopify using AdList. Once we have logged into our AdLister account, on the dashboard, we have the option of connecting our platform, where we can simply click on the platform button on the top. These two options will take us to a new page where we have the option of adding our Shopify platform and many others. When we click on the Shopify icon, we will be prompted to give our Shopify platform name. Our Shopify store name is located in the URL of our Shopify store while accessing the backend of Shopify. After we click on the Add Shopify platform, we would be asked to install the AdLister app. All we would have to do is click on Install Unlisted App and we're done. Once we have the connection established and enabled, we can start listing our products right away. When we want to list our products to Shopify, we would go to the Products section, select the product that we want to list. We can edit the product to have specific product details for Shopify, or we can leave it empty and the product would be listed to Shopify using the already existing values that AdLister has. Once we have the product that we want to post selected, we would go to the Platform Actions tab, and in the drop-down, we would select Post to Shopify. A pop-up will appear where we will have to select the Shopify store that we want to post the product to, and the product details we want to post. Then all that's left is pressing Post to Selected, and the job will run in the background to have the product posted to Shopify. And that about covers it. The great news is that this does not require for new products to be created. We can use the already existing products from AdLister. That's all. It's a fast, simple, and easy way to connect and list your products to Shopify. I hope the video was useful in explaining how to connect and how to list products on Shopify. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our website in the link below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.